prompter out there someplace, but I can't even see it. Maybe you could turn out the spotlight. Anyway, I was going to say something like, you should see the cake backstage. You're not supposed to know this, but Mayor Pete is going to jump out of it in a bikini. Oh, God. I tried to get him here, but I don't know, he had something to do with some other state or something. I hope he remembered the bikini, that's all. You know, I have been involved with the center since the early 70's. When one rainy night, Ivy Patini called me and my partner Jane Wagner and said,
"You gotta fix the roof."
And said that the roof at the center was leaking. So we pitched in and chipped in and helped fix it. Earlier I said pitched in, and someone backstage said, well, does that mean you're on a ladder, like hammering shingles onto the roof? No, we chipped in. It was money. It's just a shame how much money is needed for almost anything decent. And all the money goes to something that's not decent. Anyway, so we've been so thrilled, Jane and I both have been so thrilled at being a part of the center. I can't tell you how proud we are to be a part of its story. Yeah, right there, you got it. I forget what I was going to say here, but it was something important about, like, I don't know, what do you think it was? I can't see the prompter, and you know, when you're out here in front of everyone, your mind just goes a big blank. You have to like rehearse in front of an audience over and over, and then you finally get it. Nothing would help me read that, not even Gene Brody. Anyway, we've been through everything. We've been through the leaks and the peaks with the center. And one of the peaks of our involvement, my partner Jane and I, is that with the help of the Silva Watson Moonwalk Fund, we established the Lily Tomlin Jane Wagner Cultural Arts Center. Jane deserves at least half of that. And she sends you her love, but she's backstage in the cake with Pete Buttigieg. I'm sure she did not forget her bikini. Okay, so, what? Is someone tipping me off? Oh, I won't be able to do the Jane Fonda part. I gotta have the paper.
Again and know what I know today.
I wish you were 52 so that we could be the same age. You know, oh God.
let me say. She wanted to say a lot of nice things about me because she thought I would be too modest to say them, but you know. She was saying all the nice things that I've done for the center. And then I said, what, do you think I'm so modest that I wouldn't tell those things myself?
And I say, I'm just trying to make you likable.
Oh, good. I love it, okay. And then you say,
Can you see it?
yes!